The investigation into the murder of Kerry farmer Mike Gaine is live and very active, according to Gardaí, despite no developments in the case since a man was released without charge last May. 56-year-old Mr Gaine was reported missing from his home outside Kinmare on March 20th. The case was upgraded to a homicide investigation in late April. Mr Gaine's remains were discovered while slurry was being spread on his farm in Carrick East in May. A man in his 50s, who was arrested on suspicion of Mr Gaine's murder, was later released without charge. He has denied any involvement in the farmer's disappearance. In November, Mr Gaine's widow, Janice, attended the Killarney Historic Rally, held in Mr Gaine's memory. The final corner of the famous Malt Gap stage of the rally passed the Gaine family farm, and both runs over the reverse stage began close to the entrance to his yard.